So I got this 2001 Mustang V6 on Craigslist for $1,200, and it had a noisy lifter tick, or lifter knock, whatever you want to call it. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can get rid of that. This worked for me. I'm not saying this is going to work 100% of the time for every single engine you try to do it on, but it worked for me, so I thought I'd make a video showing just how I did it. So first thing, there's a couple things you're going to need. Go to AutoZone, get this motor flush, motor medic, motor flush, and then get your however many quarts of oil your engine requires, and then a oil filter for your car. This car takes 5W20 actually. And then also at AutoZone I got this Wristloan engine treatment. It says reduces friction and wear, quiets noisy lifters and valves, and removes and prevents sludge. And you can add the oil at any time. So what I did is I drained, or actually first you take this stuff, put it in your engine, park your car wherever you're going to do your oil change, and then put this in your engine and follow the instructions on the back. It says let your engine idle for 5 minutes, I believe it is, and then it says don't drive your car or rev it above idle at all. Just let it sit there and idle for 5 minutes, and that circulates it through the engine and cleans it all up. And then you drain your oil, change your oil filter, and then put the oil plug back in, and then put your new oil in, and then also add this engine treatment. And then you can just keep this engine treatment in there throughout the whole life of your oil, however many miles you go in between oil changes. You can keep that in, and that just goes through and cleans the engine even more. And after probably 10 miles, my lifter tick went away. So it was pretty effective. I was pretty happy with the results of that. Like I said, I'm not going to, this isn't 100% successful, of course. It's not going to work for every single car, but it's definitely better than taking off all the components of your engine to get down to your lifters if they're loose or whatever is wrong with them, or if they're dirty. You should definitely try this first. Thanks for watching.